Credit card processing. To access this screen, click on Reservations and Quoting and then select Credit Card Processing. If we have configured a compatible merchant account processor, you are able to process payments within your system. Prior to processing cards, we must apply the payment options, which are the types of cards you accept as the management company. To apply the cards you accept, click on Payment Options tab, and then click Add. Enter the name of the card type, and then click OK. Highlight the newly created card type and then specify the system type, simply matching it to the type that you've entered. If you charge a certain percentage for owner payments, enter the percentage amount into this field. It will automatically apply this percent to the owner's payment. Once you've filled out all required fields, be sure to click Save. Once a card payment has been submitted by a guest or an owner, it will appear as a pending transaction for you to select and physically take the funds. To process a payment, highlight the correct transaction and then click Take Payment. If you would like to email a notification to the owner or to the guest, make sure you check the boxes. And then click Process. An approval message or declined message will then appear. If approved, it will automatically apply it to the reservation as a received payment or to the owner's account as a credit. To process a refund to a guest or owner on file, locate the transaction by applying the correct filter parameters. Make sure you specify the correct start and end date for all of your transactions. Apply the filter type, status, and then for all charges, and then click Refresh. Locate the transaction or payment you would like to refund, and then click Refund. Be sure to enter a negative symbol in front of the amount you are refunding. If you do not enter a negative symbol, you are then charging the card on file once again. So be sure to enter that negative symbol in front of the amount. If you would like to email a notification of refund to the owner or to the guest, simply check the boxes. Once you click Refund, an approval or declined message will appear. If approved, the refund will automatically apply to the reservation or to the owner's account. Credit card email templates. An automated email is sent when a transaction is made. These emails that are sent can be customized. However, the system will send the default email if the custom email template checkbox has not been enabled. If you would like to customize your templates based on the transaction type, be sure to check this box. And then create the template based on the type of transaction. For instance, create the template for when a rental payment has been submitted by a guest. Enter the email subject line and then the content or body of the email. Tags are used to display values. The list of available tags for each template type are displayed on the left of the screen. If you check Custom Template Enabled, be sure that you create the body and add the appropriate tags for each credit card type or transaction. After completing each template based on the transaction type, be sure to click Save. To generate a report of all transactions, be sure to apply the correct date range, the filter type, status, charges/refunds, or both, and then click Refresh. Whatever columns appear on the table is what will appear on the report. To add columns, right-click on the column menu and then select Column Chooser. A list of all available columns for the credit card processing table will then appear. To add a column to the table, simply drag and drop the column into the table. Once you have specified the correct filters and customized the table, You can now print or export the report by clicking on Print.